And in today's video, I'll show you how you can get the old style of the menu bar on Big Sur or later. So let's move on with the video. So first you will go to the App Store and search for clickable menu bar. And in the Macs apps section, you should see an app called Clickable Menu Bar. You'll go ahead and download the app. Once downloaded, you will open the app and choose between the three different styles that you currently get. One is glossy, that will give you a tiger-like appearance. Flat, that will give you a Catalina type experience, and matte will give you a macOS Mavericks style appearance. And in terms of these settings, if you want to automatically set the menu bar every time you restart or log out, you can toggle the launch at login, and you can turn this setting off if you don't want the window to open every time you restart or log out. So this is how you can get the old menu bar on macOS. If you like this video, then please like this video. If you have any questions, let me know down below in the comments. Thank you.